Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I put together something a little bit different. I'm calling it SpeedCube Review Bingo. As you watch reviews, unboxings, not just mine, but anyone's, have fun and play some bingo with it. I made a little bingo board. It's 4x4 squares. I asked some of you on Instagram what other things you felt should be added on here, and I got a lot of things that I've already put down, so I'm just going to stick it to 4x4. Now, what you do is, as you watch reviews, see if you get a bingo. You can play it with friends. I made 4 cards. Some of these things are things in cube videos that are kind of unnecessary or annoying or normal. They're just all over the place. Sometimes it's things that I find really humorous that need to kind of go away. Like putting your cube in a plant or in grass and taking a picture. There's some things I'm guilty of, like the table being messy with other cubes or things that are not important. Maybe starting the video with a catchphrase. Yo, I have no idea what catchphrases could be like that. Maybe you'll think of something. Maybe attempting a tracking shot by hand. There's things I find kind of fun, which is starting with a cold open or a teaser. I think Tingman does a couple of these. Possibly using copyright-free music. Unnecessary long intros. Let's go back to an old video of mine. Long pauses with nothing happening, so basically no editing. Breathing or mouth sounds, and I am guilty of this when I am doing a solve. Sometimes I breathe right into the microphone. Saying your solves won't be as good as normal because you're behind a camera or not warmed up. Testing corner cutting because you know what? This really does not matter with any modern cubes. Using an unnecessary knife to open your packages. Using arrows or circles in your thumbnails. I think I'm guilty of that one. Camera at the level of the table. You don't need to get a tripod, but there's a lot of ways you can set your camera a little bit higher. Too much editing? Like, seriously, where do you breathe? Are you just cutting the video so it's as quick as possible? Because that seems like it's actually going to get really annoying after a while. It works pretty well in some instances, but other times it just moves way too fast and gets kind of disorienting. And my favorite one is doing first turns on a puzzle. And the person doing the review or unboxing just says things like, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, my. Because that doesn't help us at all. So, have fun with this. Don't be annoying. Hopefully you don't annoy anyone else. It's actually, I thought about putting this together years ago, and then I never did because I didn't want people to go around and say bingo on other people's videos. However, feeling a little sassy today. Go for it. Just don't get too annoying with it. I'm certainly not innocent in all of this. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.